So friends, these days because of the AI, lot many tech companies are laying off their employees. So which begets this question that which all people might be on the line of fire, which all are the combinations which could make you vulnerable. So guys, what I have seen in my research is that for these things to happen, first of all, you need to have those combinations in your natal chart. So let's say for example, we all know that in our astrological chart, 10th house is the house of our career, of our profession. 6th house is also connected with our employment. So which all are the houses which could create problem? So obviously 8th house, because the sudden unexpected events happens from the 8th house. 12th house, this is also the house of the termination. Then 5th house will also become very important because it is 8th from the 10th house. So any sudden job transition can also happen because of the activation of the 5th house. Now when we talk about the planets, guys, so Saturn, beyond any doubt, Saturn is the chief significator of your profession. After that, generally it has been seen that the Rahu and Ketu's involvement or the transit brings the uncertainty. Along with that, generally people who get fired or who are being laid off because of some inquiry, because of some investigation, you will see the impact of the Saturn's Sadesati. You would see the transition of the Rahu and Ketu in these said houses, or this could be the time of the eclipse as well. Now we know that in 2025 the eclipses are happening in the axis of the Aquarius and the Leo. So for example, for the Taurus Lagna, the Aquarius energy falls in the 10th house. So that means for this whole year, they have to be cautious, they have to be careful. So guys, all what matters is that, let's say for example, if in your astrological chart, you are born with your 10th lord making a connection with the, or your 10th lord is being placed in the 12th house, in the 8th house, in the 5th house, then in any case, you are prone, you are vulnerable. Running Dasha can actually activate that. And when we talk about the supporting factors, so let's say for example, the supporting factors is always the planet Jupiter. So if Jupiter in any way, when those vulnerability is being looming over your job, and let's say for example, Jupiter is aspecting the 10th house, Jupiter is aspecting your 10th lord, Jupiter is aspecting the 6th house, there is a strong possibility that the planetary force will safeguard you, it will support you.